Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So I figured I'd just do a real quick video and showcase the GoRhino RB20 running boards on the 4Runner right next to, of course, the Tundra here. So I've showed these plenty on the Tundra. However, I just wanted to share what it looked like on the 4Runner. So they're equally cool. There's a little bit more of a gapping issue I realized with the 4Runner. However, I've yet to actually re-tinker with it. I just kind of slapped them on. However, I do think I could actually fix a little bit of my gapping issue right now between the actual running board and the truck, the rig here. So this is just so for comparison's sake, you got a little bit more of a flush line all the way across, directly underneath the truck itself, all the way across to the back of the truck here. Whereas here we got a little bit more of a gap. And admittedly, I've not gone underneath, actually started re-tinkering with it, but a little more breathing room here, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. I mean, it is still absolutely serving its function, which is to be a side step and a very good one, especially with the bedliner finish here, have an excellent grip. And not to mention, I think I make this point abundantly clear, but I'm a huge fan of these because they are, in fact, the ultimate door ding blocker. So I am a huge advocate for them just for that. And not to mention, like I mentioned before in my previous video, when you're kicking up rocks, you're not going to be flinging them on the side of your truck and the side of your SUV anymore. You're now blocking the bulk of it, which I think is a huge perk of having these. So I'll show you underneath real quick, just kind of give you an idea of really how simple these, no kidding, maybe at this point I've gotten too good at installing them, but these, no kidding, took me 30 minutes to do. So these right here, you got 3 brackets all the way across, of course. You can see the middle one there, and then the far back one there, right in front of the tire, if you will, right? So above each of these brackets, you have a little crossbar, if you will. I'm not gonna be able to show it to you too well with my camera set up here, but you can kind of see it right here. So right on top there, this upper piece, that is your, sorry, my little mini tripod's catching. That is your top crossbar, if you will, a little mini beam that you are actually bolting this bolt, the 2 bolts here, up into, and together they're sandwiching on the actual running board itself. So that all together, it really does take 15-25 minutes to actually do this if you know what you're doing, if you've done it before. And if it's the first time, I do confidently think you can knock this out within 45 minutes, both sides. As for mounting it up to the actual, I'll try to squeak under here, guys. So this is one side. Hopefully, the lighting is not that great, I'm sorry. But, so right here you have 2 different bolts bolting up into I guess the rocker of the truck here, I keep calling the truck SUV here, not bolted up to the frame. This is the frame, of course, right here, and that is what the RSG sliders bolt straight up to. But these are just side steps, keep in mind, and again, they're so much lighter than RSG sliders and super simple to bolt up, nice and easy. So again, just 2 bolts up to the actual SUV itself, and then your clamping bolts right here across. So 6 clamping bolts, and then 6 actually mounting for the bracket bolts up to the vehicle itself. So again, sorry that wasn't the best lighting, but I don't know, I'm a huge fan of these. I will stop geeking out on them, but I definitely recommend you guys checking them out, and you guys know GoRhino is hooking you guys up a little bit too. So just a 10% off your entire order if you end up pursuing. It doesn't have to be these running boards, but anything you end up buying from them, they'll hook you up with a little bit of a discount if you just use my discount code, quote unquote, Untamed, and they'll hook you up. So we'll wrap up the video there, guys. Just want to share it with you, of course, and let me know what you think. Let me know if these are something that you would pursue. Appreciate you watching. Till next time.